Financial advice. This video is made for entertainment purposes only. Please invest your money at your own risk. I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own due diligence and research as I will do mine. This video is not financial advice. Please, this video is not financial advice. What is up, everyone? This is Safe Investor AG, H% Sausage Warrior. Today I'm going to show you my Solana meme coin ETF, my picks for this ETF. So I'm going to name them and then I'm going to go one by one, and I'm going to leave my favorite and top and my main convictions very last. Now, this is money. If you buy meme coins, warning, you need to be ready to watch your money go to zero. This is not money that you put into savings. This is not money even that you spend it on bills or that you put for retirement. Never. This is money you find lying around the couch. This is money after you make your necessary payments on your bills and credit card, and now you have this extra income, and then that's what you use, period. No more. This is a pure gamble. It's a lottery ticket. Now, I started my meme coin ETF because I believe meme coins will outperform utility tokens. And let's get started. So I'm going to go from my worst to best. So I'm going to give you the list right now, and then I'll go one by one why. So first one, I put like 15 bucks, 16 bucks at this one, Taylor token. The next one is Andy. I put about 25 bucks on that one. I'm up $1 and something cents. The next one, I put 50 bucks on AABLE. I'll explain later. I actually covered this one 8 months ago, and it popped. Kicking my head for selling too early. It popped. So AABLE. The next one is GameStop. I put 50 bucks at this one, and I'm up 59 cents. AABLE. I'm up I'm down by 9 cents. One Punch Man, Saitama on Solana. I put 50 bucks. I'm up $1. Roaring Kitty. I put 50 bucks at this one. I'm up $1. And PEPE on Solana. I put $50 and I'm up $2. Now Venus, I put 50 as well, and I'm up $7. BRETTGOLD, I actually put 60 bucks at this one, and I'm up on this one 10 bucks. And then on Uranus, I put on BRETTGOLD 65, and on Uranus I put about 60 or 62. I would put the most on BRETTGOLD. But yeah, so this is my meme coin, my Solana meme coin. Now here's why. Now the ones that I just absolutely have little faith, but it has the risk versus reward. I mean, I'd be dumb enough if I don't put $1 or $2 at it. So Taylor. So let's get started. Taylor Matthew. So you can see in this photo, there's Taylor right here. She was an influencer. She launched her own token, but what happened was she asked for at least the allegations were, correct me if I'm wrong, she was asking for 2% of the float or something. I think she still owes some of the float, but she got a lot of backfire because she got involved in this, and apparently she sold it and dumped it on people, and she didn't realize how unforgiving that crypto retail investors are, and they pointed it out to her, and they were saying that she didn't, and she was saying she didn't dump it. They checked the blockchain, and it turns out that she did, and she ended up donating that money. But anyways, she completely detached herself from that token, and now it became a CTO, which is a community takeover. So yeah, that's Taylor token. So if you're looking at Taylor and I'm not expecting this to get even close to its all-time high. I am not here for its all-time high. It might not even get to half of it, because if it gets to its all-time high, that's 100x. Half of it, maybe. I'm expecting maybe a 5x, 4 or 5x. So as it recovers, we'll see. But I'm ready to watch this $15, $17 that I put into it go down to zero. So that's Taylor. Next one is Andy on Sol. Andy actually has a much stronger community. There's no drama about Andy, really. But I've been keeping track of Andy. They're pretty good. I've been waiting for a nice sideways trading, a nice low to get in, and I did. I haven't dug deep on this one, so which is why I put just 25 bucks, and I'm up $1. Cool. So I believe it has It's gone as high as what, like 40 30 million market cap, which is a nice 20x from here, and I am expecting for Andy to recover back to its all-time high again. No actual drama. Whales just took their profits, they got bored, and then we'll see what happens next. Next one is AABLE. AABLE, I'm kicking my head. Kicking my head. Why? Because if you look at my videos, I made a video last year. Look at right here. See this? I made a video on AABLE, GoGel and AABLE. Now GoGel went to zero. It went to zero. Now AABLE, I knew it was super pumped. It was mega pumped. So I was waiting for a nice sideways trading to get in. I made a note of this, but I screwed up. I messed up because I missed it. So this were the lows. I was supposed to buy in, but I didn't. I actually did buy around in the early September. I put about $100, and I waited until September-ish, the end of September, maybe October, and I took it out. And like 2-3 weeks later, it went 20x all the way to like 1.5 cents. It happened. It's a meme coin. So that $100, yeah, would have turned to almost $2,000. That's the life of a meme coin. They're unpredictable, but yeah, the community is actually pretty strong. They're quite strong, and yeah, they're supposed to be the knockoff version of Apple. So they have a lot of these funny meme features, and on their website, you're welcome to check them out. By AABLE, yeah. So I'm holding on to this. Yeah, I'm at a loss of almost $2, but that's life. The next one is GameStop. And GameStop. Now, GameStop, honestly, I believe in the AMC movement, the AMC and the GameStop movement. The retail investors, roaring kitty versus the the filthy hedge funds. So if you believe in that, well, you might consider this. So GME and Kitty both are basically brothers. One is the dad and one is the son. So GME went as high as hundreds of million market caps, and I was waiting for it to recover. To find a nice floor and then buy in, and I just saw it and I bought in. I am expecting this to recover back to its all-time high and probably even push up even higher. I've been following it, and they do have a very strong community, very united. They do spaces like once a week or once every 2 weeks, and they have a great turnout. Great turnout. You're welcome to follow their Twitter page. Now GME, they have suspended their Twitter page is suspended. Okay, so just be aware of that. Now if you go to a Roaring Kitty, theirs is still active. So they're still good. They're doing spaces about once a week or once every 2 weeks. And yeah, they just bash the hedge funds. Okay, so that's all they do in those Twitter spaces. So yeah, that's GME and Roaring Kitty, which is AMC. So I'm up $1 or a couple cents with some. But yeah, I was looking for a nice low. Roaring Kitty, I bought 10,000 tokens, and with this one, am I expecting this to go back to its 5 cents again? Yes, I am. It's a nice 10x from there, and yeah, it could go as high as, I believe. I'm not gonna give a market cap prediction, but I am expecting it to go back up. Now, these last three, last four, PEPE and Solana. I've been watching it, and I'm also kicking my head for not throwing $50 when I should have. Why? Because PEPE, I actually had $500 in it, and before anyone knew, this happened super fast. Okay, it popped. It went from 0.02 all the way to 1.5 cents, which is 9x. That's the life of a meme coin. Okay, I had $500 here. My $500 would have turned to $3,000, $3,500. Missed this boat as well. So yeah, by now, I'm kicking my head about it. So this one also took off, And but like I said, that's the life of a meme coin. You know, you don't know this you don't know when it's gonna pop, because there's a lot of insiders that don't tell the public what they're gonna do. And honestly, that's what you want, because they're trying to protect it. So it really pushes people to either hang on to their convictions or just move on. So I like that. Now Venus, I put in here a little under $50, just because, you know, I was looking for CTO tokens, also Pepe. By the way, the story of Pepe is, sorry, I need to explain. The story of Pepe is the same Pepe from Ethereum. Someone bought the Solana Pepe, right, which was Poly. Poly bought it, and just to give you an idea how well it performed, it went all the way to almost 100 million market cap, and there was actually an investor that got in, and dude made 30K on it. But then later he lost it because he went on another token, but he lost it all. Anyways, yeah, so it went almost to 10 cents. Am I expecting this to return to its to 10 cents? I actually don't know, because Polly kept dumping on people. He kept promoting other tokens. Kept dumping him. He told him like he was just trying to scoop up more money to get Pepe listed on exchanges, and he lied. He posted that yeah, he's talking and in communication with exchanges, and eventually he just dumped on everyone and moved on. Polly. So I was keeping track of Pepe when all of this was happening. It was really sad. And then now it got a community takeover, and this community is one of the strongest ones I've seen. And honestly, I was waiting for, and as soon as the community took over, it went from 003 all the way to 009. Okay, and then they pushed it again from 002 all the way to 1 cent. So I bought, because I do see this recovering to half of its all-time high. So that's just me. It might come down lower, or it might, who knows. But this is money that I definitely do not need. So anyways, our next one we got is okay, the last three. So just so you guys see, Venus, I put about 40 something Venus, and I didn't anticipate Venus actually I don't know, popping. I put it around here because I said why not around, and then it started pushing up. Why? Because it has a low market cap, really low. It is a CTO, okay, not a big group, is not a big group. So I don't see it recovering to its all-time high. It has locked liquidity, but it has a massive liquidity to market cap ratio, really, really big. So really, really nice. So I threw 40 something bucks at it. I've already made, I don't know, 10 bucks, 15 bucks. I don't remember. So I plan to hold this. Like I said, I'm going to hold this until the end of the bull run, because nobody knows how a meme coin performs. Now, the last two, now, BRETTGOLD and URANUS. BRETTGOLD I've been following for months. And then BRETTGOLD, same. Now, BRETTGOLD, I put about 60 bucks at it. And it's doing pretty good. If you keep up with BRETTGOLD, then you know NFT Kid. NFT Kid is awesome. He's great. So he took over this token, and it went as high as 6 million market cap. It is now chilling at 280K market cap, and will it recover to its all-time high of 6 million market cap? There's a greater possibility of that happening than not. So that's why I bought my greater share of BRETTGOLD. I actually bought the most of all these tokens on BRETTGOLD. URANUS, I put BRETTGOLD, I put about 65-ish, 64, I don't remember. URANUS, I actually put like 55, around 55 or 60, and well, it's doing great. So URANUS, I've been watching it for a long while, long while, and let's see. Here, and and I was waiting for a nice, a nice dump like this one, which was great. And I was waiting for sideways trading. I actually bought it at its major low, I believe. I do think I bought it at the rock bottom, but we'll see. Only time will tell. So I bought it at around here, okay, when it was sideways trading. And then, yeah, I'm going to ride that wave up. I'm going to ride it up. So something important to keep in mind now, where no, this is another token I was keeping my eye on, and I had $150 in, and I'm kicking my head for not holding. Look, Queen. I remember I told my followers about this one. I told them, hey, I'm keeping my eye on this one. Queen, they're trying to do something, make a name out of themselves. Queen, it's about this dancer. She's a pretty good dancer. She has videos of her dancing, and she was on Spaces. I remember seeing her on Spaces. She was on, so yeah, Queen was very active, but it wasn't really performing that well as a token, and because of it, I sold my 100 and something bucks around here. That's gotta hurt. That's gotta hurt, dude. That's gotta hurt so much around here. Okay, I remember it had 4 zeros, and now it went as high as 2 cents. My $150 would be worth now probably, I don't know, in the 100,000. I don't know. I don't know. But yeah, meme coin. This is what a meme coin is. So it's unpredictable. Oh my gosh. So no, I'm not gonna fumble these bags now. Okay, I'm not gonna fumble any of them. So these are my Solana meme coin, guys. It's very important, key factors and to analyze when you're looking into a token are holders. It's one of them. So for example, BRETTGOLD, you can see there's 2,100 holders. That's pretty good. Whales, you can anticipate whales to have anywhere from 5 to 10 extra wallets to spread out their holdings. So you can see here there's a whale that has 3%, another one that has 2%, which is 7,000, another whale that has 2.5%, which is 7,000. Okay, and then the rest, well, it's just spread out. So but there's 2,100 holders. Okay, and then to market cap, that's a lot of holders to market cap. Okay, and then Venus, for example, only has 647 holders to market cap. That's actually not bad. It's not bad. It has huge liquidity, amazing liquidity. So that's why I bought. It has enough liquidity to catch any major dump, but I'm not putting any more money in it. So AABLE, for example, AABLE, it has 18,000 holders. I can't expect anything less from a small community. So that's why I'm holding AABLE. Liquidity is super thin, really thin. So that's why I'm not going to put a lot, because one whale can just kill the party, or whales. So I'm not going to buy a lot. Okay, a lot. PEPE, it has 19,000 holders. Okay, so that's also, you can look at the liquidity in here. Yeah, there's 10% of the flow in the liquidity. Is not bad. Liquidity is much better than the AABLE token, but I'm not going to put it in more. Okay, Taylor, for example, Taylor has 1,500 holders. Okay, for a token in 62 market cap is amazing. The problem is the CTO group that are the community takeover that are taking over. It's tiny. It's so small. I helped them get their stuff together. I helped them, but they're not together. That's the problem. They're not united. Now, for example, GME, they have 49,000 holders. That's why I threw in here. I had to throw in here $50, and I'm gonna hold that bad boy, because 50,000 plus holders, they're united. So, and then let's look at another one. For example, then you look at, let's see, what's another one? Roaring Kitty. Let's look at Kitty. Kitty has 10,000 holders, which is a lot. a lot, and it has nice size liquidity. So if you look in here, it has 10% of the liquidity in there. So it's really good. It's really well balanced out. So I like, but I'm not gonna throw a lot of money still in there. I'm not. Period. I'm not. So BRETTGOLD, URANUS, for example. URANUS, I've been following this one for months, and I'm actually surprised it hasn't popped already like PEPE has or Queen or the other ones. Okay, so it has 3,900 holders, which is pretty good. From where it came from when it's been from, it's actually still good. It is a community takeover, they said, because there was an influencer that was shilling it, and the influencer stopped shilling it, but that was it. There's no influencer drama like the Taylor token. There's no scamming like the PEPE token. But yeah, and then one that I forgot to mention is One Punch Man Saitama, and then I'm gonna wrap it up. Saitama, the founders, it's the Saitama from Ethereum or whatever, not moved, but they started their own Solana Saitama token, and that dude scammed everyone apparently and ran away with the money. So it went up to as high as like 80 cents, almost to $1 the token, and so I simply bought it because it found a clear bottom, in my opinion. There's only 1,500 holders. It's a 23K market cap, 18,000 in liquidity. So liquidity is really hot. There's a lot of liquidity for a really tiny market cap. I am not gonna put any more money because I'm not anticipating this to go even nearly half of its all-time high, not even a quarter. This can maybe 5x, 3x, but let's see. You never know. It's a meme coin. So that's it, everyone. So I wanted to share my Solana meme coin ETF because I shared with you guys my HBAR, my Hedera meme coin favorites. So I wanted to show my Solana meme coin favorites, and you can see I'm gonna give you guys updates every week, see how it's performing, because we'll see. And as one pops, I'm simply gonna spread out to other meme coins. I do have other meme coins that I'm keeping my eye on, but you know, I'm playing it as safe as possible, and I'm only playing with money that I don't need. Okay, remember, meme coins are extremely risky, and as you can see in this chart, they can make a lot of money. But be careful. Trade only with money you do not need. So that's it, everyone. This is Safe Investor AG. Okay, so I don't just like buying utility projects. I also like buying meme tokens. I like deep diving into certain meme tokens because I do think, and I still believe, meme coins are going to make people more money than utility tokens. So this is Safe Investor AG, HBAR Saucy Warrior, and stay saucy.